everyone and welcome to my video. I've been meaning to film a video on a GHD Creative Curl Wand for a while now. I've bought it around the same time as I did as my GHD Soft Curl Tong, which I've already filmed a video about, so I will leave a link above if you want to watch that. But today I want to talk about the GHD Creative Curl Wand. The GHD Creative Curl Wand has a tapered barrel, so it's thinner at the top with a cool tip at the end. What I didn't know before buying this is that the wand itself only heats up to 180 degrees, which means I need some products in my hair so that the curl holds. So I start off with wet hair and I brush out any tangles. I apply some heat protectant oil which I work through my hair before I roughly blow dry it until it's almost dry. I then smooth some of my hair out with my hairdryer. As my hair doesn't dry straight, it typically dries frizzy, so I need to smooth some of it out, like my fringe. Before curling, I need to spray some Bumble and Bumble Surf Infusion spray into my hair, because I find this really helps create a curl when I use the GHD Creative Curl Wand. You'll hear this noise when you turn on the tongs, and then they take roughly 60 seconds to heat up. So I don't actually layer or section off my hair, I leave it as it is to curl with. I start from the front and grab a piece of hair and then section that into two. Then I twist the top of the hair into the direction I'm curling in. So the first piece I'll twist away from my face and then curl away from my face. I alternate on the next section by twisting towards my face and curling towards my face. Just so you can see, I'll curl with the wand facing upside down and hold this for around 10 seconds depending on how big a section I'm curling. So if I have a bigger, thicker section of hair, I'll leave this for longer. I'm really sorry if you can hear the dog. My next door neighbour's dog's quite loud. And I repeat the same process all over my hair, starting from my face and working outwards on both sides. So this is what it looks like when I'm done, which is an okay look, but I don't want these curls to look as separate as they do. So I lightly spray some hairspray into my hair and gently brush it out with my fingers to make them look more natural. And you're left with something like this. So the curls have dropped here slightly, which they tend to do, but I kind of prefer anyway because I don't want the curls staying too tight. So that's the GHD Creative Curl Wand. Like I said, you do need some product. I have used this wand before when I haven't used much product and I have not achieved the same results. So I do find the Bumble and Bumble spray works well for me and my hair type, but you might want to try something different, so another beach or surf spray or even a texturizing spray. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. If you have liked this very quick tutorial, let me know by giving me a like. And if you are new to my videos, please take some time to look around my channel and subscribe if you want to see some more videos from me. But for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!